your garage could easily become the hottest, most draining room in the entire house. Welcome back. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best portable air conditioner for garage spaces, so you can finally turn unbearable heat into a cool, workable environment. Stay with us till the end, and don't forget to check the links below for the best deals. Now let's move to the next contender. At number 5, we have the SNOCOD 16000 B2. There's a special kind of frustration that comes with stepping into a garage that feels like a sealed oven. The air is heavy, tools feel warm before you even touch them, and within minutes, your energy starts slipping away. That's exactly the kind of environment the SNOCOD 16000 B2 is designed to fight back against in this top 5 best portable air conditioner for garage lineup. From the moment it activates, you can sense a shift hot, stagnant air starts breaking apart, replaced with a stronger, more controlled flow designed for spaces up to 750 square feet. It doesn't just cool the room, it resets the entire working atmosphere. What makes it especially interesting is its 5-in-1 functionality. It's not limited to cooling alone. You get dehumidifying, fan mode, sleep mode, and a 24-hour timer all working together to adapt to changing garage conditions throughout the day. Compared to smaller portable units that struggle in larger workshop-style spaces, this one holds its ground with more consistent airflow. Of course, placement matters for best results, but when positioned right, the difference is noticeable. And then there's the quieter side of it. Sleep mode keeps operation low enough for long work sessions or even rest periods without constant noise pressure in the background. Add app control into the mix, and you get a level of convenience that feels modern and practical for everyday garage use. For workshops, renters, or anyone dealing with heat-heavy garage environments, this unit doesn't just cool the space, it brings it back to life in a way that feels usable again. Coming up next at number 4 is the KoolSiln 14000 B2 garage on a hot day. Doesn't just feel uncomfortable, it slowly becomes a space you avoid altogether. The kind of place where even small tasks start feeling exhausting before you've barely begun. That's where the KoolSiln 14000 B2 steps into this top 5 best portable air conditioner for garage list, offering fast relief for spaces up to around 700 square feet. The first thing you notice isn't just cooling, it's how quickly the atmosphere changes. A wide airflow starts pushing through the room at around 77 degrees output, breaking through that trapped heat that usually lingers stubbornly in closed garage environments. It runs on a 3-in-1 system, combining cooling, fan, and dehumidifier modes. That means it's not just built for peak summer heat, it adapts to everyday conditions, whether the air feels sticky, dry, or just stagnant. Compared to lower capacity portable units that struggle once heat builds up, this one maintains a more stable cooling presence. It still relies on proper ventilation setup, but when that's done right, performance feels noticeably more reliable. One of the more underrated aspects is its quiet operation. At around 44 dB in sleep mode, it stays calm enough for long work sessions, late-night projects, or simply keeping the garage comfortable without distraction. For DIY users, workshop setups, and general garage environments, it strikes a strong balance between portability and steady performance, turning a once unbearable heat zone into something you can actually work in again. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the DOMANKI 12000 B2 heat. Doesn't just raise temperature inside a garage, it slowly drains focus, patience, and energy until even simple tasks feel heavier than they should. That's why the DOMANKI 12000 B2 earns its place in this top 5 best portable air conditioner for garage lineup. Designed for spaces up to around 500 square feet. It pushes out airflow using a turbo mode that helps distribute cooling more evenly across the room. Instead of hotspots building up in corners, the air starts feeling more balanced and controlled. This unit combines cooling, dehumidifying, and fan functions, giving you flexibility depending on how the space feels throughout the day. When humidity rises, it pulls moisture out. When airflow is needed, it shifts into fan mode. And when heat peaks, cooling takes over. Sleep mode reduces sound levels, helping maintain a quieter environment during long working hours. On top of that, the auto evaporation system reduces the need for constant maintenance, which makes daily use more practical in busy garage setups. Compared to smaller 10,000 B2 units, this one simply feels more capable when the heat becomes intense. It doesn't instantly eliminate extreme temperatures, but it handles sustained garage conditions with more stability. Operation is made simple through a touch panel and remote control, allowing adjustments without moving around the space. And because setup is quick, it works especially well in rental garages or temporary workshop environments. For mechanics, builders, and DIY users, this is the kind of unit that turns exhausting work environments into something far more manageable, helping you stay focused instead of fighting the heat all day. Breaking into the top two, the Augsmile 16000 B2 takes the number 2 position when a garage turns into a heat trap. Even stepping inside feels like a challenge. Tools warm up, the air feels dense, and productivity drops before you've even started. The Augsmile 16000 B2 steps in here as a strong contender in this top 5 best portable air conditioner for garage list. With airflow rated around 450 meter cube per hour, it's designed to cover up to 850 square feet, offering steady cooling relief across larger garage spaces. Instead of struggling to keep up, it maintains a more consistent flow of cooler air throughout the area. It includes 5-in-1 functionality, giving you cooling, fan, dehumidifier, sleep mode, and timer control, all useful for different working conditions inside a garage or workshop. Compared to smaller 12,000 B2 units that often struggle when temperatures spike, this model keeps performance more stable in demanding environments. That consistency is what makes a big difference during long work sessions. Noise levels sit around 40 dB, which helps reduce distraction when you're focused on detailed tasks. And with smart Wi-Fi control, you can adjust settings remotely before even entering the garage, an underrated convenience when dealing with extreme heat. Setup is straightforward with tool-free installation, and mobility wheels make repositioning easy depending on workspace layout. For mechanics, DIY builders, and anyone working long hours in hot conditions, this unit delivers dependable performance that keeps the environment controlled and comfortable when it matters most. Coming in at number 1 is DOMANKI 14,000 BTO. A garage under extreme heat can turn even the simplest task into exhaustion within minutes. That heavy trapped air builds pressure in the room, slowly draining energy and focus. In this category, the DOMANKI 14,000 BTO enters as the final contender in the top 5 best portable air conditioner for garage selection. It is positioned for demanding garage environments, offering strong airflow support designed to handle consistent heat buildup across workshop-style spaces. The system includes multiple modes like cooling, fan, dehumidifier, sleep, and timer functions, giving flexibility depending on how intense the conditions feel. Quiet operation around the 40 dB range helps maintain focus during work, while smart Wi-Fi control allows remote adjustments, making it easier to manage temperature without constantly interacting with the unit. Setup remains quick and practical, with mobility wheels allowing easy movement across garage layouts or rental spaces. It's designed for users who need cooling support without permanent installation, even though this unit performs strongly across different conditions. What stands out most in this entire lineup is how it compares overall in real-world garage usage scenarios. After comparing all 5 portable air conditioners, one unit clearly stands out above the rest. The Augsmile 16000 B2 takes the top spot in this top 5 best portable air conditioner for garage list. The reason is simple: it combines stronger cooling capacity with smarter control and wider coverage, making it more suitable for demanding garage environments. While units like the DOMANKI and KoolSiln models perform well in their own ranges, they start to show limitations when the space gets larger or the heat becomes more intense. Augsmile maintains more consistent cooling across bigger areas, runs quietly enough for long working sessions, and adds the convenience of Wi-Fi control, something that makes daily use noticeably easier. That balance of power, stability, and smart features is what pushes it ahead. And that's what makes it the winner. So there you have it, our breakdown of the top 5 best portable air conditioner for garage spaces. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons like this. Check the links below for the best current deals. And remember, when the heat goes up, your workspace shouldn't slow you down.